Okay, so this one took me a little while to do. It's a little subtle, but I'm going to make kind of a curvy zigzag line. And then I'm going to sort of start to mirror it. So I'm going to make another line that sort of mirrors it starting below this line, but it's going to end up touching the line over here. So I've made, what I'm making is an open hand, and then I'm making the thumb with another line there. And now what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to make a little cuff. So that it reads more like an open hand. Now what's really cool about this is that this can be a giving hand. You can draw something above it. Like I could draw a heart up here, and so it would be a giving love or giving compassion. But I can also draw an arrow going this way, so that would read as giving whatever. But if I drew the arrow in the other direction, then it could also be a receiving hand. So this open hand can be used for lots of different things. So this is something that takes a lot of practice to get that to read as an open hand, but it's a very useful drawing. And again, you can use shading. Shading is super cool because it really adds a lot to your drawing. Reads even more like a hand now. There you go, giving and also receiving, depending on how you draw whatever you draw above or in the hand. Enjoy.
Better.